Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. It's your girl Cindy from OB Real Estate. So I'm currently at Railway at Paint Manufacturing Factory to know the prices and know what it takes to produce paint in Enugu, Nigeria. So I'll go inside, meet the CEO to find out more information about their business. Let's go. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Cindy. What's your name?
My name is Chibike.
Chibike. Where are you from?
I'm from Anambra.
Which side?
Yeah, precisely.
Okay. So what do you do?
We are into paint production.
Okay. What's the name of your factory?
This is Accurate Paint and Chemical Industry Nigeria Limited. We're
Okay.
doing production of paint and selling of paint chemicals.
Okay, sir. So, sir, we want to know what it takes to produce paint. How do you produce your paint?
What it just takes to mix different chemicals to give you a good paint. That is it. We have a lot of chemicals that you mix together to make up the paints. Like you have your titan, your calcium, your acrylic, your thickener, your preservatives, and majorly your solvent, which can be water or resin, or depending on the type of paint you want to produce.
Okay. So, can you show us the raw materials you use in producing
Okay,
paints?
as you can see, this one is the calcium carbonate.
What?
Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate.
Yeah.
Is
This
it
is the titanium dioxide.
titanium
They
dioxide?
have different make.
Do you sell it?
We do sell.
Okay. How much is it?
The titanium dioxide is 110,000
Is it one bag or
for
all of
one
them?
bag. For one
Okay.
bag. The calcium carbonate is 4,500
For
for one bag.
one bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is in 25 kg. The titanium is in 25, whereas the calcium is in 50 kg.
Okay.
This is also titanium dioxide, but different make.
This one.
Yeah. That one is Kronos, the higher quality. This one is Chemis Titan.
Okay.
Then
So
we
this
are,
one is how much?
this one is 86,000
It's
naira.
one bag.
One bag.
Okay. This one.
This is the red oxide
Okay.
that you use to get your color. The yellow oxide is there.
Okay, so this yellow one now, how are you going to do it? Will you mix it with another color
You
to
mix it
produce
with
that yellow?
white. It all depends on normally our sense of primary color mixing to get secondary color. That is it. You
Okay,
mix yellow and red to get your pink. You mix um red and white. You mix yellow and white to get cream color or milk color. Red and white will give you pink. They
okay,
have also some liquid colors which are called paste. But you normally have it in small quantity. Like this is your red paste,
okay.
just for red color. Anything that
If I
contains,
touch it like this, hope it won't destroy my
no,
hand.
it won't destroy your hand.
Okay,
Except our hand would have been damaged by now.
okay. So, sir, what are other ingredients that you used?
This one is called acrylic, the one in
Acrylic.
keg. Yeah,
Where is it?
all the kegs there.
Here.
Yeah,
Can I
this
open it?
thing. Okay, let me open because I will use this one now.
Hmm. Are you the one that makes it like this, or you
No,
bought it
no,
like
we
this?
bought it like this.
Okay. How much is? How much
All
is it?
this one is wait, let me calculate it because this one we normally buy it per kg per
Okay,
kg.
by kg.
Yeah, but if it's per kg, it's 1.5 per kg.
Okay.
This is 180 kg.
180 kg.
Yeah, you multiply it out, you get the total price. This one is 240 kg.
Okay. So you mix this thing now together with that.
Together with those chemicals, yeah,
Okay, to produce your
to give
paint.
you a good quality paint. Yes.
Jesus Christ. So all these people that used to sell paint in bucket, they
Yeah,
do buy from here.
yeah, they do buy from you.
Okay. Do you sell by bucket or
No, it depends. We sell paint by buckets, any quantity that you want, we can sell. Then, if you want, if you are a producer that wants to buy the chemicals for paint production,
okay.
we do sell.
So how many buckets do you guys produce in a day?
It all depends on the order that we have. We don't have a specific amount. It depends on what we have to do. Some days you can produce 150, some days you can produce 50, some days
Okay.
100. There are some days
Depends
that
on your
you
energy for that day.
both the energy and the order that you have that
Okay.
makes up the quantity you can produce.
Okay. So
That's
where do
it.
you guys buy all these raw materials and
Some of them might be sold in Kayeta. They are the ones that we buy from Lagos. They are the ones that we buy from Edo State, mainly the
okay.
calcium carbonate.
Okay. So please can you show us your machine
Okay, this is
that you
the
use?
smaller machine. We normally call it hand drill, hand mixer.
And
We use it for small quantity of paint.
Okay.
All of them use
This one you use the
electricity.
mixing paint.
Yeah,
Okay.
come inside. This is the bigger machine. This one is for
Okay.
producing 50 buckets of paint.
50 buckets of paint.
Yeah,
This one.
that is the volume. Yeah,
Hey, sir, the raw material you call them calcium carbonate. What do you use it to produce?
it's used for producing mainly water-based paints, the
Water-based
emulsion,
paint.
the taste coat, the matte, right, and eggshell. The calcium carbonate helps to give the paint volume, and also it serves as a filler, and it gives the
Okay.
paint volume. That
Okay.
is that is the major work of it, of the calcium carbonate. When you come to your acrylic, is the binder for paints. It makes the paint to stick to the wall
Okay.
and not to be removing dust when they touch it. There are some paint that you will paint, if you touch it, it will stain you. But if you add enough acrylic, it won't be like that.
Wow.
That is the major work of acrylic. Then you have your thickener also. And
Where's
that,
the thickener,
that
Shay?
one normally makes it to be very thick. Not depending on how the quantity that you add.
Okay.
Yes, depending, I will just show you the contents, not the one in the bag,
Okay.
just the contents, so that you can see how it is.
Should I come and help you out? Ooh.
This one is very costly. That is why they normally hide it somewhere.
Okay.
You don't keep it anyhow. Mhm. This is the thickener, the one they call nitro.
Can I
So
touch it?
you can touch it.
Okay.
Now
To make the paint thick.
it makes the paint thick. That is the work of this.
So if you want to make the paint to be watery, that means you're not going to add this.
You must add
Okay.
it because also it binds the whole chemicals together.
Okay. The only thing is that you reduce it.
You reduce the quantity that you add depending on the thickness that you want. But normally for paint, they have a standard. So if you want to increase your thickness, you increase above the standard. If you want to reduce your thickness, you reduce above the standard.
Okay.
That is it.
So how much is one bucket of paint? This bucket?
The cost of producing it or the empty bucket,
No, because of producing it.
the cost of producing it differs based on quality. If you want to produce the premium quality emulsion, it will be costing you around 18,000 naira.
Any types of paint.
Premium quality emulsion.
Okay,
When
okay,
you come to the standard,
okay,
you will have 9.5. Then if you are going to like call it the normal quality, then you can have it at the range of 8,000
okay,
for,
8,000.
for the production cost. Yeah, that is for emulsion paint. When you come to test coat paint, you have the premium quality. The production cost is 18.5.
Okay,
The standard quality, the production cost is 14.5. Then the normal quality, you can produce it at the range of 12.5 or 13,000.
okay. So does the price also depends on the colors? You
Yeah,
know,
most of the times it depends on the color. Basically on the emulsion paint. That is it. On the emulsion paint, there
Okay.
are some ones that depends on the color. We have some colors that are costlier than others.
Which color is that?
Like when you come to orange, purple, lemon green, chocolate, those are the colors that are a bit costlier than other colors
Why is he much costlier than
because
others?
their pigment is costlier than the other ones.
And is hard to find?
It's very fine. Basically, it's for inside interior. It's not
Okay.
even advisable to use them exterior. It's just for interior, but it's very fine. All these orange color that people normally like,
This orange
lemon
for Barbie
green,
girls.
mm,
So what's the most cheapest kind of paint that one can ever get?
based on
Cheapest
color.
based on color, yes.
They have like white, cream.
Is white cheap?
White is not that cheap, but I categorize them as the ones that are cheap,
Common.
the common ones. Uh, you have your cream, your off-white, your light blue, lighter blue, and those are the ones that you can get cheaper.
Okay. So you produce any kind of paint,
All kinds of paints,
all types of colors.
all kinds of color.
Okay. So do you deliver outside Enugu?
Yes, yes, we have a lot of work that we have done outside Enugu. Anywhere within Nigeria, we can deliver to you.
So sir, do you produce oil paint?
Yeah, we produce oil paint. We produce oil paint.
Okay. So what and what do you use to achieve your oil paint?
If you want to, you have to have your solvents, which is the kerosene mainly. Then you have your acid resin, your titan, and your mist dryer.
So
Then
can you show us? Or is it the same thing with
it's
those
the
ones?
same thing with the titan, the acid resin. Let me just say you a bit how it looks like.
When you mention kerosene, is it normal kerosene that we
Normal
use?
kerosene,
Okay.
the acid resin, something like this. This is the thick acid. That is the thick acid. We
So
use the normal kerosene. That is our normal kerosene to dissolve the all the materials, both your titan and your acid and everything.
okay, so the oil paint, where is it used for?
It's normally used to paint metals.
Metals.
Basically, metals. That is what
Okay.
it's used for.
So what's the difference between the oil paint
And
and
when you talk, the major difference between both of them is that oil paint is mainly the solvent is inorganic. You use only kerosene,
okay,
or sometimes you can use fuel. But when it comes to emulsion, taste coat, matte, silk, all of them is water-based paint. Majorly, the oil paint is washable
okay,
because it's not water-based, so you can use water to wash the surface. There are some paints that are water-based that you can also wash, like your silk and your eggshell can be washed also.
okay. Do you sell it in bucket or
Oil paint is normally sold in 4 liters.
for 4 liter?
And due to the price and it's not normally used in the larger quantity. Normally it's for assuming after building, you use it to paint your protectors, your wooden doors, your iron doors. That is the major work. But there are some people
Okay,
that prefer painting it inside. It's just choice.
okay. So the 4 liter is how much?
The 4 liter of oil to produce it, you are having 8,000 naira.
8,000 naira.
Yeah.
Wow. So sir, how many years have you been in this business?
I've been in this business for nothing less than 15 years.
15 years.
So
So what's your experience?
I have a lot of experience now.
Okay.
If it's in school where now they would have made me a professor in this line. But at least I know majorly the work of the chemicals
Okay.
and how
Did you
to
get your
achieve.
knowledge? Sorry, sir. Did you get your knowledge from school or
No, no, no.
you learned it from somewhere?
I get it from here. I learned it
Okay.
from someone. I have a boss that trained me. You understand? But as it goes, when you join what you know with education, it gives you an edge over others.
Okay.
Like
Yeah,
we
it's true.
just combine it with the education. That is why I did chemical engineering because of this thing. That's what pushed me to that line, so that I can
Okay.
have enough knowledge about what I'm doing, and it helped me a lot.
Okay. Is the business lucrative? Is it profitable?
In Nigeria, there is no business that is not lucrative or are lucrative. Depends on the level that you are operating at.
Okay.
Paint production is lucrative. It's lucrative business once you have the contact and the right persons to supply the raw material for you. It's a good business.
Okay, so if I want to start up this business, how will I start? How do I go about it?
If you want to start up, then you have to first learn the business.
Okay,
If you learn the business, then you will now think about a location where to establish your factory. Then you talk about the constructions, you buy the machines, the chemicals that you use to start up the production. Off you go. But before that, you have to do the necessary registration.
okay,
That is it.
okay. So, what gives you motivation? What inspired you? What motivates you in your business?
What motivates me most in my business is just I like hearing my customers to call me and show appreciation. Your work is very good.
Only
That is
that.
that is my motivation. That is the number one before anything else.
Okay.
Giving people what they want at the best price that is affordable for me. That is it.
So, why did you choose this line?
I
Why
choose
did
it.
you choose this painting
No,
business?
I choose it because that is what I like doing. I've been into it so many times, so I now develop passion for it. I know
Okay.
once you have passion for something, you go higher in it. So that
Okay.
is it.
So, if I want to start up this business, what will you advise me as a young girl?
If you want to start it up, the only advice I can give to you is just to make sure that you know the principle of the business very well first before venturing into it. And also to keep up with the competition in the market because we have a lot of competitors out there. So you have to keep up with the competition in the market and also make sure you satisfy your customers. That is the basic thing before money. Once you satisfy them, they can link you up with other people, they can refer you, and from there you make it.
Okay. The competition is it based on price or based on
No,
quality?
both the price and the quality, but the major one is the price because it's the price that will give you an edge over them. If you can give the client what he or she wants, that will make him or her to call you back or refer you to another person.
Okay. Okay. So do you also teach people how to make paint?
Yeah, yeah, we normally coach people on how to make paint.
So if I want to learn from you, how much will you collect?
If you want to learn from me, I can give you, as a young lady that is starting off, I can give you within the range of 300,000.
Jesus. Is it how many years?
It depends on how fast you are. There are some people that
Okay.
can stay for 6 months, they can grab the whole thing. Some stays for 1 year, some 1.5 year.
Okay. Which means the 300K is until you
You
know the
learn
business.
until you learn, until
Okay.
you feel that you have known the business.
Okay. So guys, if you want to get your paint, you can come at what's the name of your
Accurate Painter and Chemical Industry Nigeria Limited.
okay at Railway. Sir, please can you call your number first?
My number is 070-329-34980.
Okay, can you call it again?
070-329-34980.
Okay, thank you. And please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, follow, share to your friends. Thank you. God bless you. What do you have to tell our viewers?
And thank you, OB Real Estate, for the wonderful opportunity you people have given me to showcase my product to the world. Thank you. And once again, if you need high quality paint at the best affordable price that you can come to Accurate Paint and Chemical Industry Nigeria Limited. It's located at number 7 Railway Commercial Layout, Ogui Road, Red Cross, along Red Cross Road. Our number is 070-329-34980. Thank you once again.
Thank you. God bless you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.